Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever. I wanted to make this quick video because we have been realizing that a lot of the people entering our giveaway are having problems with their comments sticking. So what I would suggest to anyone who's entering the giveaway is to make sure that you watch the video all the way through, because YouTube will see it as a spam. Also, make sure you leave additional comments along with your IG and 4x4 giveaway without the pound sign, and so that will help you. And then if that doesn't work, then comment under the pinned comment itself. Those are the solutions that we have come up with currently, and I'm sorry to everyone who has entered previously and is having issues with this situation, but right now this is the best that we can do until YouTube gets their life together. Okay, little baby, like, I don't know what to tell you, sweetie. Like, this is all I'm picking up that I can give you, so I can put it down so you can pick it up yourself. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little mini clip. Make sure you go and enter the giveaway. The link for that video is down below in the description box, as well as pinned playlist is attached in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enter the giveaway, and this should be coming out before my video, so enjoy Wednesday's video when it comes out. Bye.